We are pleased to show you the 2020 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, hill descent control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, trailer tow group. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.